So what is a contract service? Contract service is any contractor that you have coming into your property to provide some service or activity that you're paying for. That's a contract service. For example, landscaping. Larger properties will have landscaping, snow removal, pool service if you have a pool, security, maybe they're making rounds for security, or general maintenance. Now those are just a few. There's dozens and dozens of other contract services. And over time, over the past 10 to 12 years, every single year, contract services have been increasing 2, 3, 4, 5% year after year after year. So now with this reset, it's time to renegotiate to the contract service companies and see what's the best price that you can possibly get. In addition to the ones that we just talked about, there's others: tree cutting, trash removal. Now trash removal, there's normally 2 or 3 providers in a market. If you're only working with one, it's time to talk to the other 2 to see what kind of rates that you can get. Your property might be on their route now. Also, cable and laundry contracts. Now, those 2 are a little bit more difficult to renegotiate because it is a locked-in contract, 5, 7, 10 years. Now, you have to be careful. If you don't let them know that you want to terminate their service or renew, very often there's clauses in that contract that says it's going to renew automatically, and then you're locked into another 5, 7, 10-year contract. Now, when you do renew, both of these services often offer an upfront renewal fee to you as the property owner for exclusive rights. Laundry contract will often give you incentives to say, we're going to crisp up the laundry room. New floors, paint the walls, maybe provide chairs, new folding tables, but you have to ask for it. Now, on the rehab side, on the vacant unit turns, you often have painters and carpet installers and handymen, carpenters. This is a good time to renegotiate with them. However, understand that a good contractor is critically important to help you make money down the road. Now, they're doing great work. This is the time to actually look for better quality contractors. When you find a good contractor, keep them. It's actually cheaper in the long run to actually pay them a little bit more now than to have them come back and fix something that they should have done right the first time. So be aware, we're talking about cost reduction strategies right now on contract services, but good contractors are worth their weight in gold. Now, you've got a whole list of contract services that you're paying money out every single month. It's important to understand that if you can save $25 on this, $100 on this, $200 on this, when you look at all your contract services, it adds up to real money. Let's look at it this way. If you've got a credit card or a string of credit cards where you're paying money out, $500 or $1,000 a month, paying out to credit cards, over the course of a year, you're looking at $6,000 to $12,000 in payments to outside credit cards. If you're able to take that money and keep it in-house, you're looking at an increased value of $120,000, $60,000 to $120,000 increase in your value. That's important. But you got there by taking these little steps, by challenging your service contracts. Hope you see the value in challenging your service contracts. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other strategies that you found in your service contracts. Click the link below, subscribe to our channel. I'm Phil Russo. Stay tuned and stay informed.